Hello student, Hemant Sir is here. So today we are going to understand few examples related to the arithmetic progression. Okay. In previous video we have understood the introductory part of the arithmetic progression. So what is arithmetic progression? The progression or a sequence in which every two consecutive terms have the same difference. Okay. That progression is called as arithmetic progression. So for that we had to understand about one example. So the example which is given in your textbook page number 58. The example says Arifa saves 100 rupees every month. Arifa is a girl. She saves 100 rupees every month. So for the year she saved 1200 rupees. Okay. So the saving of Arifa saves 100 rupees per month for 1 year. Okay, so in first month it is the month and saving. Okay, so in first month the saving will be 100 rupees. Then second month the saving will be 100 plus another 100 is 200. In third month the sum of rupees is 200 plus next month 100 rupees, then it is 300. Then in fourth month total saving will be 400. In fifth month the total saving will be 500 up to 12th month. 12th month the saving will be 1200. Okay, so here if we can see that the difference between two consecutive terms, suppose the first month is term 1, second is term 2, term 3 up to term 12. Okay, term 12. Now the distance will be, it is the Tn plus 1 minus Tn. It is the formula for the distance between any two consecutive terms. Okay, so here let T equals to 2. Here, or we can say n, it is a number of terms, so n equals to 2. So if n equals to 2, then what will be the distance? Distance equal to 2, n is 2, so here we have to write 2 plus 1 minus t2. So distance equals to t2 plus 1 is t3 minus t2. Now D equals to, what is T3? T3 is 300. So 300 minus T2 is 200. So the difference between two terms is 300 minus 200 is 100. Okay, so this is the distance. Now we will check, this is the fourth term, this is the fifth term, T5. Okay, now we will check another any two consecutive term. So let distance equals to, or we can directly check that 100 and 200. 200 minus 1 is 100. 300 minus 200 is again 100. Then 400 minus 300 is again 100, and so on. So here we can see that every two consecutive terms have difference same. That's why this progression is in arithmetic progression. Okay, so अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन एक्चुअली में क्या होगा, ऐसा कोई भी प्रोग्रेशन जहां पर सीक्वेंस तो होगा बट दो कॉन्जिक्यूटिव टर्म का जो डिस्टेंस है वो क्या होगा, सेम होगा. ओके, सो इन दिस वे वी कैन से दैट द अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन प्रेजेंट इन गिवन एग्जांपल. ओके, सो नाउ वी विल चेक द नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल व्हिच इज गिवन इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक. ओके, we are going to solve the second problem. Okay, By this problem, we will definitely understand what is arithmetic progression. Okay. So, the example says, Pranay borrowed 10,000 rupees by his friend. Pranay borrowed 10,000 rupees by his friend and agreed to repay 1,000 rupees per month. Okay. So, see, total money he borrowed is 10,000. So, when he is going to repay to his friend, then after 1 month, the remaining amount, see, the starts from 10,000. They start from the 10,000. It is the total amount or remaining amount. Okay, of remaining amount, and then the month. Okay, so here it is a 10,000 on the first month. In second month, the remaining amount will be 9,000. In third month, the remaining amount will be 8,000. On fourth month, the remaining amount will be 7,000. On fifth month, the remaining amount will be 6,000. And fourth month, the remaining amount will be 5,000. It is 6 months. On 7th month, the remaining amount will be 4,000. On 8th month, the remaining amount will be 3,000. On 9th month, the remaining amount will be 2,000. And on 10th month, the remaining amount will be 1,000. So on 11th month, the remaining amount will be 0 rupees. So he borrowed 10,000 rupees by his friend and agreed to repay 1,000 rupees per month up to 10 months. Okay. So after 10 months, the remaining amount of his friend will be get returned. So here we had to check whether the given progression is in arithmetic progression or not. So for that we had to check the consecutive terms and the difference between them. See, the consecutive terms 10,000 and 9,000 have difference of 1,000 rupees. Then in this consecutive term we have between 8,000 and 9,000, the difference will be again 1,000 rupees. Here on between 10,000 and 7,000, again we have difference of 1,000. Here again we have difference of 1,000. So in every consecutive term we are checking out that there is a difference of 1,000 rupees on every month. That means this is the arithmetic progression. But after 10th month, the total remaining amount is repaid to his friend. That means it is arithmetic progression, but it is the finite arithmetic progression. So it is finite arithmetic progression. The example just we have seen before this example, which is again the finite arithmetic progression. Okay, so now we will check the next example where we will identify the infinite arithmetic progression. Okay, so the third example. So third example is the progression of number divisible by, or we can say multiple of 5. Okay, so the first term will be 5. Then second term will be 10. Third term will be 15. Fourth term will be 20. So this progression we have to write in linear form. So it is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 up to infinite. Here the difference between the two consecutive terms or distance between two consecutive terms is 5. Here again 5. Here again 5. Here again 5. Here again 5. So see, in every consecutive term, every two consecutive terms, the difference between two consecutive terms is 5. That means it is again the arithmetic progression. But this progression will continue up to the infinite. That's why it is infinite progression. Which one? Arithmetic progression. So this is infinite arithmetic progression. Okay. So students, in arithmetic progression there are two types of arithmetic progression. One is finite arithmetic progression and another one is infinite arithmetic progression. So in finite arithmetic progression we have seen two examples. Okay, and in infinite arithmetic progression we have understood the one example, which is the number which are multiple of 5. Okay, so students, this is the very important part. On that basis we are going to solve few problems related to the arithmetic progression which are finite or infinite. Okay, so write down this first. So students, आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. So in next video we are going to solve the arithmetic progression based numericals. Okay, so आज के लिए इतना ही. Bye for now.